Can you actually deep fry with olive oil? For years, people have been telling me, don't do that. It's dangerous. Meanwhile, I've been frying chicken, fish, plantains, you name it. I fry it all in olive oil. And every time I post one of my cooking videos showing my frying or mentioning that I fry with olive oil, there's always somebody in the comments section saying how dangerous this is. But here's what they don't know. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jeannette. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to settle this debate once and for all. The main reason people avoid frying with olive oil, smoke point. That's the specific temperature where fats start producing a thin layer of bluish smoke. People think if oil reaches the smoke point early, it becomes dangerous to cook with, and they think olive oil does this. But here's what scientists found in 2018. They tested 10 different cooking oils, heating them way hotter and way longer than anyone does at home. And they found that extra virgin olive oil stayed stable longer than sunflower oil, canola oil, and other oils that everyone thinks are safer to fry with. What they discovered is that smoke point doesn't predict whether an oil will break down into toxic compounds. What matters is how long oil resists creating harmful chemicals when heated. That's what matters. When oils break down under heat, they create toxic compounds called polar compounds. These include aldehydes and other chemicals that have been linked to heart disease and cancer. Some professional restaurants actually test for these. Once the oil in the restaurant hits 25% polar compounds, they throw it out because it's no longer safe. In this study, olive oil actually produced the lowest level of these toxic compounds. According to the researchers, there are 3 reasons for this. The first reason being olive oil is made of monounsaturated fats, which are much more heat stable than the polyunsaturated fats found in most seed oils. The second reason being even refined olive oil still contains 15 to 20% extra virgin olive oil with its natural antioxidants like vitamin E. The third reason being olive oil processing uses gentle physical methods, while seed oil gets extracted with harsh chemicals and very high heat, which damages the oil before you even buy it. Now let's talk about temperatures. Most home frying happens between 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. What's the smoke point of extra virgin olive oil? 350 to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. Refined olive oil? Up to 470 degrees Fahrenheit. Even the USDA now has olive oil on its list of recommended oils for deep frying. You can check it out for yourself. I will leave the link in the description. Unless you're heating oil until it's smoking very heavily, you're in the safe zone frying with olive oil. So which olive oil should you use? Refined or light olive oil have the highest smoke point, and they're perfect for deep frying. They still have natural flavors, and the best part is they still have their protective antioxidants. Extra virgin olive oil is best for pan frying or sautéing. Its best feature is that it adds flavor, keeps all the nutrients of olive oil, stays stable at typical cooking temperatures. It's a little bit more expensive than refined olive oil, but it has better stability and health benefits than refined olive oil. The choice is not so much about safety. It's about cost, flavor, and what you're cooking. So what about the safe oils that were thought to be more suitable for frying? Those so-called safe frying oils. Corn, soybean, sunflower. These oils are high in polyunsaturated fats, which break down very quickly when heated. They produce more toxic compound faster, and they don't have the natural antioxidants that protect against oxidation. Fun fact, Mediterranean countries have been frying with olive oil for centuries. Most countries in Europe uses it for everything, from meat to seafood to baking and frying. Don't you think if olive oil wasn't suitable for frying, they would have figured it out by now? So how do we fry the smart way? If you're bougie and use a thermometer, you can aim for 350 to 375 degree Fahrenheit for most frying. If you're like me and don't use a thermometer, drop a piece of bread, a wooden spoon handle, or onion into the oil to test whether it's ready or not. If it sizzles immediately with steady bubbles, it's ready. If it bubbles violently or smokes heavily, lower the temperature. It's too hot. For deep frying, use refined olive oil. For pan frying, extra virgin works best. As far as storing goes, store it in a cool, dark place. Even with the research presented today, I know some people will be, well, my chef friend said never to do this. I get it, but this advice often comes from tradition, cost concerns, or just flavor preferences. Some people prefer certain oils for certain foods, but that doesn't make olive oil dangerous or unstable or unsafe. The bottom line is, next time someone tries to tell you not to fry with olive oil, tell them science says otherwise. I've been doing this safely for years. Don't let myths push you into using oils that break down and produce harmful compounds. Choose based on research and science, not myths.